Co-Erider, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today's video, we're gonna unbox what we have received as for today. So, to complete our spare parts which we ordered from AliExpress, we have this one. It got a bit delayed for around a week because it was stated here, like here in Dubai, 1,000 up USD or 1,000 up AED you'll have to pay custom tax duty for that one. That's why it got delayed, because it was held by the customs. But luckily we have already received it. We paid for it. So now we're gonna open it up. I'm quite a bit like confused because as far as I know, like this should be bigger. But looking at the box, it's just a small one. I just hope it fits everything. So I just hope everything is here. Okay. Oh, cool. Yeah. So this is the part for our electric scooter. This will be the 10X. It's actually a spare parts for 010X, which we're going to fit in on the chassis of a 9-bot Max scooters. Okay. Apologies for quite a bit messy here because I mean all the spare parts were around the room. So I don't have that big area. As you can see, I'm still working on it. Okay, the next part. Yeah, so it was here. This is the sides. There should be two. Yep. Okay. Okay, the next part. Let's set it aside that. Yeah. Okay. So we also received already. Okay, this one is the brake holder bracket for our brakes, which is this one, the Magura brakes. We're gonna put this Magura brakes. This is where we're gonna mount them and put them on. And also, this is the shaft to hold the swing arm on the zero swing arm. Okay. The next one is. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this is one is the key switch. So it has almost the same as mine. So it has the voltmeter as well as the key. See, the voltmeter and the key. Okay. So that's it. Yeah. Wow. So guys, let's see. This is one of our lights. So this came from, this is what they call Futurize. Okay, I just forget the company, but this is actually one of the best lights which I've seen online. And also this is almost like a spotlight, so it's actually like super bright. Yo, check this out, guys. So see, wow, that was really nice. See, guys, whoa. So I love this thing. Has some three connectors. So they have this one as well, these kits, the connectors together with some cable ties, nuts and things. Okay, so these are the holders. Okay, and some, yeah, so these are the holders which we're going to put in here. Okay, so that's it, Co-Eriders. So we have received almost 90% of the parts which we ordered on AliExpress. We're gonna have to buy some of the other parts, but I mean it will take a lot of time for that one. So as for now, we're gonna already start building and assembling the e-scooter for Mr. Joe. So stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click the bell button below so you'll be updated for our electric scooter DIY project. See you, Co-Erider. Don't forget, let's create, ride and enjoy. See you, Co-Erider.